Sometimes salt in the rasam gets excess. Let us quickly look at the methods by which we can reduce the excess salt in the rasam. Method 1. Take 25 grams of cooked tur dal, dilute it in water, add spices like chili powder, 1 teaspoon of tamarind juice, quarter teaspoon rasam powder, and quarter teaspoon chili powder also, and a small piece of jaggery. Mix all this and add this mixture to the excess salted rasam. Now bring everything to boil and then taste for the salt, and the taste would be perfect. Let's look at the second method. Sometimes it happens that the tangy taste and the spices are all perfect except the taste of the salt. In that case, liquidize a little piece of jaggery in water and then add this liquid jaggery to the excess salted rasam. Just bring it to boil and taste it.